Yeah, in the world where peace, joy is becoming very scarce, but it is very, very visible, it is very, very present, and it all depends on what is peace according to you. What is a good life according to you? What is an abundant life according to you? Is it to have so many material acquired things? Is it to enjoy life as it is, as it was enjoyed by our ancestors? Is it to be a genuinely and truly loving person to yourself and all those about you and beyond you? Is it to fight with everyone in the world, in your world, and wish wrong on all others? Can't we all eat in peace the way these birds are doing? Do you need to eat more? Do you need to chase away others? A lot of intelligence is very around, and a lot of knowledge is flying around. So the question is not whether people know, or people see, or people hear. The question is, do people understand what is of value and what is not? What is inside us and what is not? What we are fighting for and what is already ours? It is your choice. It is my choice, because at the end of the day, it's a long journey. We came alone, we here alone, and we'll live alone. Yes, you might say, oh, me, I live with my children, I live with my wife, I live. When you sleep, is any of them present in your dreams? So, know thy truth, and it will set you free. Let people be what they choose to be. Let people show what they carry in them.